Hi, how are you? I'm Teresa. I'm from Two Sisters. This is my sister Sharon.
Hello.
We've started our airbrushing art studio about 2.5 years ago. We're down on the Gold Coast. But what we do is not just airbrushing. We create magic with art. So we've had a lot of people come and say, well, really, but what do you do? Well, let me show you a bit of what Sharen and I do. We're both internationally renowned artists.
Yes.
We've been finalists both in Australia and overseas, and we're really proud of what we do. So I'd love to show you some of our work. So Sharen, if you don't mind, I'll just come behind you.
Come behind me.
So these works here, we're at the Brisbane Home Show at the moment, and we've got our stand here. This painting here is called Apollo. He is airbrushed, and he is airbrushed onto canvas. He was a finalist at the Victor Harbour Art Show. And next to him we have Kitsune. Kitsune is also airbrushed onto canvas. We like this medium, and airbrushing is predominantly what we do. We love to do it on canvas, but as you can see with magic, we can also do it on MDF board. We love to have them framed. So with the canvas, you can have them either framed or unframed. Because we wanted to be part of the Brisbane Home Show, we wanted to make our stand something really special. So we worked on 2 pieces of furniture, especially for the show. So I've done this beautiful work of a young girl in the pastel blues and pinks. I wanted to do something that was contemporary and beautiful, and not just practical and functional. Sharen, because we like to play with colour, has gone for a beautiful black cockatoo, which is named Charlie. So Sharen loves to paint all of her artworks. Like, she predominantly does animals, and each animal is named. We love to do these, and as I said, these ones are for sale, and we can do bespoke work for your home. I'll now take you to this one. This one is called Asher. Asher is unfortunately sold, but Sharen loves to do animals. And I'm sure that you can see she specialises in eyes. The eyes that she produces, some people say, are the windows to their soul. And so it not just becomes an artwork, it becomes something that is really, really special for the home, that will last a lifetime, and something that really influences people. We've got a couple of abstracts as well that are also done on canvas. The abstract shows that we like to do bespoke work as well. So we can do anything for you. If you choose and tell us your colours, then we would be able to create a piece of work especially for you. One of the things that we've been asked about doing lately for our clients is kitchen splashbacks, and it's something that we feel very strongly about. We can have it custom made for you in your own colours, cut to your design, and something special and beautiful for your homes. Corporate gifts, we also have a range of coffee cups. We can do coffee cups where we can have our own special work on the front, and we would put a saying on the back, or imagine this perhaps with your corporate logo. Artwork on the front, corporate logo on the back. We can do the same with the coasters. We have special prints. The paperweights come already pre-packaged. So imagine those being given to your staff members at Christmas perhaps, or as a beautiful Christmas gift. So thank you very much from the team at Two Sisters, and please come and visit our stand. We'd love to see you here, answer any questions that you have, and have a great time at the Brisbane Home Show.
Bye.
Bye.